In this video, I want to show you how you can gain software to use in your TI calculator. So you can see in our course page, I have made a tool called Graphing Calculator Tools. Now this may look a little different than your page, but this tool should be your Graphing Calculator Tools. When you click on it in your Blackboard, you get two options at this point. The TI Connect software is going to allow you to connect your computer to your calculator. And then the binomial program is the program we're going to use for the binomial distribution. So the first thing you want to do is to get the TI Connect software. So you can click on this. It'll take you to a web source. You want to choose the correct type of software for your computer. I have a PC, so I'll use TI Connect for PC. And I want to download the TI Connect software for Windows. Once it's downloaded, we're going to go ahead and run the program. I'm going to let that run, and I will run it here. I'll accept the license. I can put it wherever we want to. It'll suggest a spot. I'm installing it. Now the program should show up on my desktop. So I have both versions, the CE version and the older TI Connect version, but this is probably the easiest version to work with. So the TI Connect software will look something like this. Now if you want to connect to your calculator, first you're going to have to use the cable that you have. So your cable should look something like this. Connect it to your calculator. So the connection will look something like this. So make sure you can connect. You can connect in the other port as well if you have the other cable, but this cable works best, especially for the TI-84. Once you're connected, you can click on the TI Device Explorer, and it's going to find your calculator. This is the one I want. I have a TI-84, so I'm selecting it, and it's now connecting, and then I'll be able to add programs to it. So in the meantime, I could go back to my Graphing Calculator Tools and download this binomial program. I'm just going to put it on my desktop to make it easy to find. I can see that I've already downloaded mine, but make sure to download your program. And then once you're into your TI Connect, I can see that all of my information is shared here. And if I put some numbers on my calculator and just try to connect at the screen, so it'll do a screenshot for me. I can see what's on my current screen because it'll connect to it. We can see that currently I just had some numbers on my screen, so I'm going to erase those numbers and get back to what I want to do. I don't want to save this image. So what I'd like to do is to put this binomial program on my calculator. So all you really have to do is drag the program into your programs, and it will load it onto your calculator. Now since I already have this program in my calculator, it's going to cause an error. But on yours, it should allow you to have that program on your calculator, and then you can watch one of the other videos to see how to use that program. If I have any other additional programs, you'll see you can load it in the similar way and then use the program once you have it in your calculator.